whatever the hell this is. Artificial intelligence. Damn! What a contrast! TechBrew!
I need a visual representation. Cheers! Clink! Welcome everybody to the TechBrew podcast, the podcast where we blend today's world of technology with the aroma of coffee or any caffeinated beverage. Plus a deep dive into the latest tech trends, thought-provoking discussions, and headlines. Thank you.
I know we're.
It's been a week since we recorded, so I forgot.
Welcome. I'm Motorcon Trash.
Cam.
This is Cam, and brought to you with our mic producer,
Yes, sir.
Gray.
We thought it'd be kind of cool is if we kind of just chilled, hung out, drank some coffee, 6 o'clock in the afternoon, and build a robot kit that's like interactive. It can use an app. It has voice control. But this one I found on Amazon. It's called Mikey the robot. See that? $35. We'll put a link down below.
Yeah.
And it comes with stickers that you can put on the pieces to kind of represent like the eyes and the other little markings. Well, what's kind of cool about this kit that I've never really seen before is it comes with its own like battery module that is encased in like the Lego looking. It's like a Lego looking block, but it's got like the electronics inside of it. It's like looks like proprietary connectors maybe. But yeah, it just looks like a Lego block, but they put like the battery component on the inside. Yeah, I mean, like the instruction book looks like how the Lego instruction books look like. That's cool. Oh, those are I don't know if you can see that. Those are 2 LED lights that represent the eyes of the robot. These bags are like solid plastic. It comes with a few different ways to control the robot. You can use voice commands. You can use a little... So I was over at my brother's on Saturday, and there's this really cool game that he showed me called King of Tokyo. This game, here you go. This game was invented by the guy who created Magic the Gathering. I was over there playing MTG with him, and he showed me this game, this board game that the guy created. After he left Wizards of the Coast, he created a few board games. But essentially, you roll these 5 dice to see who goes first. And each die has a different logo on it. 3 of the sides say 1, 2, and 3. One of the sides has like a lightning bolt for like energy. One side has a heart, and one side has a bear claw. And essentially, what you do is you roll these 5 dice, and whoever has the most like bear claw logos gets to go first. And then they basically get their character. They have a little character token that gets put in the circle. So they're the current king of Tokyo. And the plot of the game is so every time you are in the circle, you get 2 points. First person to 20 points wins. So let's say you roll the 5 dice and 3 of them are heart logos and 2 of them are bear claw. Well, that means you get to heal yourself for 3 and you get to attack the other player for 2. Another cool game that we played is called Clipology, I think. And it's a trivia game. It plays just like trivia, but it's based off of movie films. And then what's cool about this is not only does it have like actual like card questions like traditional trivia, there's an app. There's like an interactive app that you can also play that has 3 additional question styles that are related to actually like watching a clip from a movie. And it's really cool. I liked it a lot. On the weekday, but I would say like, weirdly enough, the newer generation of Batman actors, which would be Ben Affleck, would be Christian Bale, Ben Affleck, and Robert Pattinson. I would say, obviously Bale, I think, is my favorite Batman, but I didn't think Pattinson did too bad of a job.
Ben Affleck's version I kind of liked because obviously they kind of did a different, obviously, comic book version,
right?
Where he was more beefier.
Whoa! Wait, that's wrong. That's not wanting to fit. This one.
Yeah.
Oh, this is too long. This needs to be a. This is a 6-piece. I need a 5-piece. Wow. You know what? I'm done. But I turned 25 over 2 years ago. I'm old. You got any plans for Halloween? You do any traditions? Anybody out there do traditions for Halloween? I know some people like intentionally like bake particular things or watch particular movies. I know with our generation, a big one is like watching like the Harry Potter franchise. I was watching Shark Tank, which I think is on. So this, I assume, it's got wheels right here, and it's got like looks like a chest plate section. So that's going to be probably the first half of the robot. So now we just got to basically do the opposite side. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna develop an AI bot that just watches all of our content for hours and hours. That is illegal. There's that one guy. Did you hear about that story about that guy on Spotify who not only did he create like AI music?
Interesting.
Well, but what you're not allowed to do is create bots that listen to your Spotify streams, because this guy was getting like $10 million a year.
Really?
Yeah, and that's what you're not supposed to do. So he got arrested. And he got thrown in jail.
I think I've sent you a couple of videos on it, but some of the AI models that they have for making like short videos now.
Yeah.
Literally, is just what's really freaky is like how good it's getting.
Oh, that's getting
with like how they can put a prompt in for girl talking in a cafe.
Oh yeah.
And it legit looks like a real girl talking.
Yeah.
I'm like, oh man.
For the most part, a lot of the AI. Well, the biggest thing, and this is still kind of an issue now. I do know that AI models are getting better at it, and better. But hands, that's the big thing we talked about.
Hands were the
hands
worst thing for the longest
time.
time.
Hands are horrible on AI. They never come out right. And they're getting better. They're getting able to replicate hands fairly well, but they're still a little off. And it's the uncanny valley. Which, if you don't know what the uncanny valley is, it's the line in between completely fake looking and realism. There's the happy medium between the two. Don't ever speak Canadian.
Don't worry, I speak jive.
Cut me some slack, Jack.
Kind of looks like R2. Fairly, it says it's got STEM programming, so it's supposed to, I guess, kind of teach you like the basics of like robotics. I'm just gonna build my own robot right here. Continue building the robot. Evan, get in the frame. Get in the frame. Hey, there he is. We stopped completely recording and continued at a different day. Why am I wearing the same shirt? Because I like green. 7 days. I'll have an 8. Oh, it slides in like that. So it's on the bottom like that. It slides in the top of. That's gonna be difficult. Okay, got it. Now while you build that, I can continue talking to the 35 people who love us. Put down in the comments below your Halloween traditions if you celebrate Halloween. If not, put down your Hanukkah traditions.
Hanukkah, come light the menorah. Let's have a party, we'll all dance a hora.
Put down your Halloween traditions. What do you do for Halloween? You watch scary movies? Do you bake cookies? Do both?
Go fishing.
Go fishing for Halloween. That's new.
On your boat. I think it costs some.
But yeah, what kind of movies do you watch on Halloween? Do you watch ones that are like family-friendly spooky, or do you watch ones that are like legitimately spooky, like actual horror movies?
Memes of Hogwarts Legacy game.
I love that.
You do
such
the
a solid game, by the way.
beginning duel, and then the memes will be like, "Ready your wands whenever you're ready." Hada, hada, and then oh my god,
You need to leave.
to Slytherin.
There it goes. We got 2 legs and a body.
Yeah.
And like a chest piece that's next to here. Oh, it's motorized. So there is the robot.
Whatever the hell this is, artificial intelligence. Bam!